Life has taught you many lessons, through the pain and through the stressing. You kept walking, held your head high, even when you wanted to cry. You hide the tears behind your smile, facing battles all the while. No one sees the weight you bear, or how much strength is really there. They think you're made of fragile glass, but you're the fire in the mass. You keep fighting day by day, showing them you'll never sway. Oh, you are a strong woman, heart of steel and soul of fire. Nothing can break your spirit higher. You rise up when you fall down, wearing your battles like a crown. Yes, you are a strong woman, independent, brave and free.